OMG, what is so smelly? In today's video we are going to make some ears. If there are still hair on it, just burn them off. The first step is to clean the ears as fast as possible. All what we need now is a pot and our spices. Therefore, I like to use a tall pot to put all the ears inside. Then we have some herbs from our garden, thymian, rosemary, onions, or at least one onion, and a plenty of garlic. Just a little bit garlic, not too much. And not too many. And lobia leaves. And some saffron. You can also juniper berries. Put some bajo. Chili flakes. Pepper. Add more pepper, and if you like, you can put some pepper there as well, and salt for sure. But the most important ingredients is beer. We need beer for it. Until the ears are completely covered with liquid. Well done! And now we will cook them for a while and I come back later to you once they are ready for the next step. Oh, you're back. So later we need some flour butter, and I have just a little bit left, so I decided to make some new flour butter. Easy. We have to melt some butter and mix it with flour. Around about 50-50. We have to mix the flour and the butter together, and make some little pieces with it. Yep, can. And now we make some little balls with it. Oh, my little ears. We heat it up one time and then it is ready to fill into the glass. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Not too much, not too much. Just right. Give them a second so the hot air come out. Finish. You just have to cool down. So you may ask, what should you do with so much flour butter? Telling you. Just freeze them and use whenever you want.